Hey guys, what's new? Today I'm reviewing Nazeem's new set. It's a new creator set LEGO has launched. And yeah, it's pretty damn cool. Like, the instructions are really big. It took us around 1 hour to build or something. But yeah, this set, it's called the Racer. Though we changed its name and all. And this is what it is. Mostly this car is really cool. It's a monster, really. But though for Megalodon 2.0, it's nothing. We just tied a string here, and Megalodon 2.0 just dragged it away. But this car, I don't have too much to say about it. Like, it's not too much. It's just a car. Like, it's just a car. There's nothing too cool about it. So yeah. What I'm doing here is just reviewing it. All I want to say is, if you're asking me options if you should buy this, put it on your checklist or consider it, I'd say you should probably consider it. It's pretty costly. And I know. We all know that Lego's pretty costly, but still, this one cost extra. And especially now that we've moved to India, it's more. So, I'd say you'd probably consider it or keep it on your checklist. The interior of the car is not bad. The whole car is not bad, but don't say you go straight ahead and buy it. Here there's like a small place where you could keep stuff. Here's the seating area. We just built this and completed yesterday. And also, yesterday there was some unfortunate news. I got my tooth out. My wisdom tooth. That's why it sounds kind of different. So, and yeah, mostly all I want to say about this car is it's really pricey, but still, it's very good. It comes with great quality, special parts, and all that. Even though I've seen these parts the first time I'm getting any of them. The spare parts I've built a few things, but yeah, that's all. This car is really good. Here goes really smoothly. Just be careful. Don't give it to any little kids. Its axle just could break. Its axle could just bam. So it could snap in half. And also there are a few parts that could be a choking hazard. So I don't suggest this set for kids. Yeah. Don't let kids go anywhere near the set. They could also break it. I had a few visitors a few days ago, like 1 month ago, and they totally wrecked everything. Luckily, this car was kept in a safe place. Now its parts got missing in that pile of junk. Oh, shouldn't see a secret build. I'll post a video of it after a few more days. So yeah, that's about this car. Pretty sure Nazeem might be coming down in a bit, and then he'll review it a bit more. I think he's coming. Only want to say is that you should also not give the instructions to little kids. Like, I just built a new thing. I shouldn't say it right now because I'm going to just take a new video of it. So So it should be a surprise also. But I just built it and its instructions was half ripped apart. And even in the Lego instructions app, it was a retired set. So its instructions couldn't be found. So yeah, I spent hours and hours trying to figure out how to build that thing. So don't, yeah, that's children. So yeah, that's this car. I might actually post a video of us building it with the Lego instructions app because I just built with it yesterday and I've almost never built with it. It's like so hard to do at the same time. People out there who know technology, it's easy for them, but for me, it's pretty hard. So that's what I have to say for this video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll let Nazim make another review video some other day or a build video, but not today. I'm kind of busy. I have a few more videos to shoot. I've been lacking, kind of lazy. So yeah. See ya. Peace.